Another one would be Wrap. So
Okay.
this is an interesting company. They have a new device, and I'm a boots on the ground guy.
Wait,
I
wait,
travel
wait, wait, wait. I need a trigger.
WRAP.
There we
Gonna
go.
WRAP. It's gonna be a fun chart.
Okay.
And I'll have all the charts for you next time. That's great that you can incorporate that. So this company has a Batman-like device that you shoot it and it wraps you, and it shoots like a gun as fast as it's gonna wrap you.
Wait, what?
Now, 2 years ago is when they came out with this product, and I went to New York City in this guy's great guy, this guy Scott Cohen, in his building, and I got shot by this device. And I showed everybody. You can see that on our website, CurzioResearch.com. I got shot by this device, and I interviewed some of the top chiefs of police there. And now they've been through this whole entire process. You're seeing up and down. It's kind of like Taser when Taser was first getting adopted.
Oh,
You
yeah.
have to go through a whole training process. They have it in 400 plus police departments right now. And now you're seeing this being used in the field. Even if you go on their website, today was another wrap. And, with everything going on in the world today, regardless of what side you're on, right? It's, the last thing a cop wants to do is take out his gun. This de-escalates the situation. So this is something where if someone has a knife or if someone's just coming at you, you could shoot them. Instead, the other option is you have a gun and you're protecting yourself, and that's where things get crazy and there's lawsuits everywhere and it gets nuts. This is something the whole entire world is looking at. They're international now. They went through the training process. They have to train officers, which was slowed down due to COVID. Now it's ramping up, and you're seeing these things being used time and time again. To me, this is a company that could become the next Taser. And right now is an inflection point for me, because now you're going to see these orders really start pouring in. I covered Taser in
we had
single
these
digits.
videos up on the screen. I mean, this is awesome.
I got shot by that thing. And
did it hurt? Well, okay, tell me.
It didn't really hurt. I had, a sweatshirt on, but it was funny because
Did you fall?
No, you don't fall. It just wraps you up and it stuns you because it's a gunshot. And it's like, and before you know it, they're jumping on you and tackling you, right? Which they didn't do to me, but that's
all right. That would have helped
hit,
the video.
Mm-hmm.
Take two. Make sure you have somebody ready to jump on you.
Yeah.
I mean, this thing is pretty awesome. I don't know if we can buy one of these for the Benzinga office, but we would have a lot of fun with this.
It's gonna probably be available to consumers too soon, I think. But yeah, I'm looking at the video now. But it's been an up and down ride. It went to 14 right away, got a little ahead of itself, has come down. But now you're seeing it ramp higher, and you're going to see sales coming in. And that's the last step. What I saw with Taser when I covered it back in the day in single digits. Once you see these orders coming in for 100, 300, they're testing in LA police departments around the world. They're starting to get these orders in, and you're going to see revenue really, really ramp up, which is what everyone's waiting for. Took a little bit longer than expected, but now they have a much better device out there, and I think this thing could really take off from here.
All right. I dig it. Do they have sales at this point?
They do have sales. Yeah, they have $1 few million in sales, and that's what people are looking for. They're like, okay, it's a big market cap. We want to see sales. Now you're seeing sales come in, and now you're going to really see sales explode. They're up, it's like 150%, but again, it's from such a small base. But now you're really going to see this where more and more orders are coming in. And even if you go to their news today, I think it was yesterday, they had a wrap in a real situation. And it saves lives, and you don't have to worry about it. It's great for police departments where a lot of them are getting sued. It's great for controversy. You eliminate all that. And the bottom line is, as crazy as people are, the last thing a cop wants to do is take out his gun and shoot somebody or fire it. And this eliminates that. So you have not just does this make sense when we're talking about it, but it makes sense from a political point of view on both sides of the aisle that they want this. And
absolutely.
that's where I think you're going to see a tremendous growth here.
Okay. And then what about cash position?
They are levered up. They did a great financing when the stock was a lot higher. I think it's something like 35, 40 million in cash. They have a ton of cash. They brought on, actually, the CEO is the brother of the CEO of Taser. So this guy, which is cool, because he knows really all the markets. He knows all the risks that happen. I mean, you want to bring on a guy that made tons of mistakes before building a great company. This way you can eliminate that, right? We all make mistakes.
Okay. And it was so the CEO of Wrap is the brother of the CEO of Taser,
who was part of Taser. Yes.
All right,
which is now Axon. It's called Axon. Yeah, changed the name.
Yeah, that's great. Which is, I mean, Taser. It was pretty obvious what they did, but hey, they changed the name on us. Okay. All right, I dig it. And then this one, it sounds like similar to Turning. You're waiting to see how earnings flow through in this upcoming quarter. Is that fair to say?
Not this quarter. I think you're going to see it ramp up. I mean, when you this thing is going everywhere right now. It's going viral. You're seeing, I mean, they get millions and millions of hits because people are looking at this going, holy cow, look at this device. Each guy just got shot by this. And the more you see that in situations where now they're testing it in the field. And when you look on their news, you can see probably in the past 2 weeks, I mean, there's like 3 or 4 of these things. You're going to see, more and more. And then, the news outlets are getting a hold of it. And that's really going to, it's going to provide a lot of excitement because it's a great story. So I think this stock's going to take off. You're going to see sales come in. Once they do, then it's really, really going to go. And those sales are going to start pretty soon because, following the stock for 2 years, I'm an investor. I'm an investor in these guys. I'm not just throwing out names where I'm not an investor. You're going to see sales come in. But even that, it's more about everybody adopting this and seeing it personally because it looks really cool. And the more people that see it, the more people that want to buy the stock. All
right. I'm going to request one. I have the contact us form up on their website, requesting one for BZ offices.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I will volunteer to be the test subject there. Okay.
Yeah, it'll be a lot safer for you because they tell me they're like, Frank, I think you're a little crazy that early. It was like a testing phase. I was like, thanks for letting me know. So they shot. And he counted the 3. He goes, all right, I'm gonna count to 3. He goes 1, and he shot me. He goes, I don't want to wait for 3.
He
doesn't
want you to flinch.
Oh, it was great. I have a video of it and everything. And it's pretty cool.
All right, that's great. All right, so that's our weekend reading. Is we have to go watch that video.